So now we are moving on, and I can see if you video turn off your video. Okay, that's cool, not cool. Okay, so thank you so much. So we are moving on our next segment, which is basically we'll talk a very important issue, like what are the changes of the river, right? But before that, we play a game, and for that, everyone definitely need to turn on your video. So we are waiting for the turn on your video, then we'll go to the game part. But that game was fun, right? So you will enjoy it. Just make sure you will just enjoy it, right? So please turn on the video, everyone, and try to sit in a position in your room. That's why you can get some object from, like very small object like pen or mobile phone, something like that. You have available in that space, right? So try to sit in a position or place, just you can get some object from available from your room, right? Yasha?
Okay, so we are, me and Myrene going to facilitate this session, this interesting game session called Hold More Objects. I request everyone to turn on your videos for this segment. So now, how do we play this game? My co-facilitator Mayuri, I'm inviting you to share the rules of the game. Mayuri?
Yeah, thank you, Yasha. So everyone, look around you. There would be a lot of objects, at least some objects nearby, right? So with each count, you have to hold one object. For example, Yasha says 1, you hold one thing, 2, hold another. Don't drop the previous objects, just keep holding more objects, which each count. And we will keep counting till about 16 or 15.
No,
so
we don't
at one point of the count,
we don't mention the number.
Can you see my hands? Your hands should be visible to us. Yeah, your hands should be visible to us. So at one point of the count, you might not be able to hold something anymore. Like my hands are really full right now. So at that point, you have to let us know. And that's about it actually. So over to you, Yasha.
Yes, so I'm counting 1. Okay, I can see people. Okay, have 2. Pick another. Okay, 3. Have you? 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 10. 11. What's happening? 12. 13. 14. Guys,
someone I can see not someone is, I think,
hands,
old, but not just, yeah. So I think I already give up because I can't.
If your hands are full, let us know. I have given up. My hands
yeah,
are full.
let us know.
Okay, I give up.
You give up?
Yep.
Yeah, I gave up at 11.
I too. I'll give up.
Okay.
17. 18. 19. 20. You can't keep it. You can't keep it beside you. You have to be. They have to be in your hand.
Yeah, and hold it.
20.
Hold it, and also hold it.
I have to give up
Hold
now.
it. Hold it.
I gave up already. Like when everybody else gave up. I think when Amir sir gave up, I gave up too. I haven't picked up anything new. I was just keeping it down so I can unmute myself.
Okay. Okay,
continue. I still have a scope. I don't know, but when you said, then I picked one bug which has a mentioned that agreement get better result than argument, and then I realized that yeah, I picked the right thing. and I put things inside. So like I have more than.
But Avinash, if we ask you to run everyone now, can you run it in a way or everything drop down after while you are starting running?
Yeah, I can run with this. Even I have a scope for 8
Okay, that's
if
cool.
more of it. I can put in the mug.
Okay, Yasha, continue then. Yasha, you're muted, I think.
Yeah, I have also done the same thing like Avinash, you know.
But Khalid, can you run in a way?
This way, but
It's not a mug, like it's handicraft.
Can you
On
run?
which
Did you run?
yeah, I can.
I can put everything here.
We don't
Maybe
have
20
we are
things.
saying hold it, don't like carry things, right? So I think Khalid is
I am holding
carrying object, not holding object.
it.
I'm holding object that is carrying object.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, your instruction was not right.
Okay.
I have a lot of things. Yes, you can see.
Yeah, I can. Put
Okay,
things,
great.
laptop.
So people, okay, Mayuri, who is the winner? Still last, who actually survived?
I think whoever has given up, we can switch off our cameras for a while.
Okay, okay. Only the people who are survived till now, only they can turn on their videos. Okay. So Anu, Avinash, Khalid Bhai, Ashik, Bhai, where is your object? Okay.
No. I have given up at 12.
Where is your object?
I have given up at 12.
Okay, no problem.
Khalid bhai, you and I are
No,
the same line. I think.
The object from your side, but that's fine. Congratulations, Avinash and Khalid Bhai, both of you. So you are like the holding the object, the art. So you have the responsibility in your shoulder now. Okay, so something like that. Thank you, congratulations, both of you. Now you can turn on the video, everyone. So everyone, can you just turn on the video? So we can get 20 seconds for the turn on everyone's video. Thank you, Ishwari, Ashik, Sriti, Manini, Priyanka, thank you, Khadija, Zarif, Zaraf. Great. So the thing is, so everyone can start the game, right? Everyone is starting to holding object. Everyone is starting playing the thing. But everyone in a certain period of time, after a certain period of time, in some point, kind of give up, or they can like, because they are get in a position of we are called tipping point, or they are getting in a point where it's actually collapsed. They can't hold it. They can't have the ability to hold it. We can't have, like in a number of 11, I can't hold it because already I get some big object. So that's actually make me to collapsing my capacity, right? So what about the river? So river is currently, some of the river is already dead. Some of the river is kind of like starving. Some of the river is kind of like trying to survive me, but we can see maybe after 10 years, it's not gonna be alive. It's gonna be dead. We can assume that. And some of the river is already dead because they can't have the capacity to survive, or maybe they can get as much pollution or as much extraction to them or as much oppression to them. I use the word oppression for the river too, because it's true. So as much they can already get it, that's why the river is already collapsed. So what are the object they can hold in the last 100 years that's actually make them collapse, right? So now we'll talk about this thing. So the main session of this object is, main title of the session is, what are the changes of the river in last 100 years? But basically in the deep down, we'll talk about what are the things that make the river collapse in last 100 years, and the process is still going on the beyond in next maybe few years also, right? So first thing, I think you already knew about it, the dam, right? So everyone knows the dam. So dam is good, dam is necessary, dam is important. It's give us power, it's give us electricity, lots of things. But sometimes it's massively changes the river ecosystem, the livelihood of the river, the people who are around the river, the live around the river, the indigenous people who are living around the river. In Bangladesh, currently we are producing 18,000 megawatt electricity. but the number of the amount of the electricity comes from the hydroelectric only 230. But because of this 230 megawatt electricity out of the 18,000 megawatt, we are using a huge amount of land to using the dam water or hydroelectric water. So this is the one thing we are using in massively in last 100 years in Asia, South Asia, UK, China, everywhere, to harness the water and produce the electricity. But because of that, a huge amount of land of the river is changes, their channel is changes, the habitat, everything going to change. So that's one thing, right? Second is, so this is an example for the, I think some of you know about the only natural fish breeding system of the Bangladesh, that's called Halda. But 3 years back, they are using a rubber dam. So this is the rubber dam. So they set the rubber dam in the Halda River, and after that, so the kind of a fish breed there is they need a huge speed of the water, right? But once the rubber dam is there, you can see the speed right now, right? Because there is no speed actually. So when the the water flow is getting down, the fish which is dependable on the speed, the natural breeding system is gone. So almost 90%, more than 90%, in fact, 80%, 90% natural breeding, the whole system is collapsed right now because of the rubber dam, right? And that is make like an also the involvement of the private sector. So that's one thing we are adding in last 100 years, by the way. What the next? Industrial pollution. I think everyone know about that. Before like 1800 century, the industrial pollution industry is there, but industrial pollution is not as much there because in that time they are using the organic color, the organic element. But nowadays we are for the chemical, using so much chemical, so much, like for example, the garments industry, they are using so much color and dyeing for the dyeing process, color and chemical system, right? So that's actually make the water polluted. Even in the Bangladesh, you know about the Buriganga River. So in the summer season, the Buriganga River even gives some smell, in fact. And there was then place called Hazaribagh in the part of the Buriganga, and Hazaribagh basically popular for the tannery system, like the animal thing, right? So in that place is so old that one environmental specialist in the Bangladesh called is Rezona Hassan. So she told, if you want to see hell on the earth, then come to Hazaribagh. So as much, just imagine the thing, right? So this thing. So that's that one thing we are adding. We are adding in the last 100 years, and that's make that river try to collapse. So that's another thing. Another thing is the extensive farming and their pesticide, the hormones, the fertilizer. So I already told you before, once the fertilizer is washed by the rain, that somehow in the different pathway, they are going to the river. And that pesticide, that's hormone, that's fertilizer basically make more vulnerable to the habitat of the river, like the small fish, the different kind of plants, the aquatic plants, that kind of things, right? So that's also we add in the last 100 years. Another thing is case fish. So case fish is we add in the last 100 years, and that's basically how actually changes the river or how collapsing the river. Because in the case fish, you already know they are using different kind of food which is come from the outside, like the industrial food. And also in the case fish, they are sometimes not all of the case fish factory farm, but some of them are cultivate the fish which is not actually based on the river. So when they are using the food which is not actually the fish for the river fish, that food actually change the habitat of the river fish, right? The river indigenous fish. So that is why sometimes even we see the already the existing fish of the indigenous fish, the different element, different plants of the an animal of the river, they will just extinct because of this thing, right? So this is another thing we add in the last 100 years. Secondly, not all the thing is man-made. Sometimes the natural disaster, earthquake, the flood is also changes the river, like changes the channel, changes the pathway of the river. So that's also happened in the last 100 years, but that's very less. More is like human man-made, right? So this is one thing that is very alarming. That is like in last 100 years, another thing is happened, which is never happened in the before. That is like seawater come to our river. Even in Bangladesh, it's called one river is Sitolokha. Recently, the scientists are getting found the seawater element in the river, like seawater already incoming in the river system, right? So that's also happened in the last 100 years, and it's coming, right? So those rivers is still alive. Maybe after a few years, after some few years, we can't even see them. They will also collapse because like the river like the Khalid Bhai or Avinash, who actually hold more objects, who are more survival, they will even collapse once these are the things we'll add, right? So another thing is the deforestation. So last 100 years, the forest beside the river, like in Bangladesh, in the hill track, there are some river, the upstream river from the hill area, and once the river is what's actually the relation between the river and the deforestation or forest. So once you cut down the tree, I think you know about it, the groundwater, when the water go to the ground level or the river level, that is actually more polluted. But if you have the tree beside the river, the water going to be more clean, and in the purification, the tree is working like an purification, right? Purifier. And last thing is the sand mining. So in last 100 years, sand mining is not only collapsing the river in a way that the sand is gone. Rather, when they can extract a massive amount of sand from the dredging system, in the like in in this picture, they are like dredging from this area the sand. They are also extracting the egg, the small, very small plant, which is the surface level of the in here. So they are also extracting this thing, right? The egg from the turtle, from the egg, fish egg, the different very small element which is just surrounding in the river plate.